Hello, today I'll be showing you how to watch Netflix together or how to install Netflix Party. So you want to go to the Chrome web store and search for Netflix Party. Then click on Add to Chrome. Once it has been installed, go back to Netflix and click on Refresh. Then just click on any show you want to watch. Now you want to go under your extensions and click on Netflix Party. Then click Start the Party. Here you can copy the link and send it to your friends. Here you can have a chat. Then once you click on play, all of your friends will watch in sync with you. Thank you for watching, hopefully you found this helpful. Subscribe and leave a like.